Hello sweetcorns, welcome or welcome back. Wow, it's been 41 days since my last upload. I'm so sorry everyone. Lots of things were going on in my family, so I was not in a situation to film any videos. I'm so sorry everyone. But fortunately everything is much better now. I hope I'll be able to upload regularly again. Thank you all so much for 870 subscribers. I don't know how to thank you all. I am so grateful. Love you guys. This past month I was in I don't know how to explain, but I was in very stressed situation, and the only thing that gave me a little relief was you guys' comments. So how much I thank you all. It's never going to be enough. Thank you so much everyone. Love you guys. Anyways, so today in this video I wanted to do something that makes me claim, and what else that could be other than drawing. I hope everyone knows about these anime manga characters that I am drawing right now. They are from the best-selling manga of all time, One Piece. I did the sketch and outline off camera because it took me 2 hours and 9 minutes. Well, I draw with my fingers, so anyways, I'll add the whole drawing time lapse at the end. Skip to the timestamp if you want to see the sketch first. As I am editing this video, I realized that I forgot to draw Usopp. So I was mainly drawing the Straw Hat crew who were appeared in the live action adaptation season 1. So I did not draw Chopper, but I also forgot to draw Usopp as well. Netflix One Piece live action adaptation is one of the anime live action that I watched and did not get disappointed. Personally, I like to read, so manga is my first choice over anime and live action. But surprisingly, I really loved it and waiting for the second season. Meantime, I am watching all of their interviews and behind the scenes. All the characters are really lovable. In One Piece, my all-time favorite character is Shanks, and the actor who played Shanks in live action really did a great job. I am not going to spoil anything if you haven't watched it yet. Or have you guys watched the One Piece live action? If, let me know in the comments. And who is your favorite character? I am not going to talk anymore, just enjoy the coloring process and the music. Again, thank you so much guys for subscribing and watching my videos and commenting. Really guys, thank you so much from core of my heart. Love you guys. Thank you sweetcorns. See you in my next video, and I hope I'll be able to upload it next week. Stay healthy, stay safe, drink enough water guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're